Yo, where the f is J-Lo?
Y'all seen J-Lo? Where is
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo here again. And as y'all see, I fixed the audio. That last clip, I realized that I ain't connect the mic properly, but it's connected now. So hopefully y'all, can hear you, boy. But today, we back messing with the vet. You know how we do it, doing stuff big. In the last clip or the last video, y'all seen that this is now filled with water because I did not properly cover it. So I bought a cheap little siphon from Walmart just to see if I can siphon as much of that water out as I can. It's manual. I know they do make the automatic ones, but I'm finna do some physical labor. You know what I'm saying? Once we get that out, I do have the sending unit here as well. So I'm gonna clean up the outskirts of that, put the sending unit in, and so I ain't gotta worry about that no more. And then from there, we also gotta take the hood off and button up everything else under the hood. So you know what I'm saying? We got a day full of work to do, and we finna get to it. You did what I'm saying? But y'all stay tuned. Fuck with your boy. You. They used to use bad boys like these, or they just use one of them vinyl hoses to siphon the gas. Back in the day, they'd take like a water hose and you stick it in there. And sometimes you can blow into one side of it and it'll start shooting out the other side. But this one has a little pump on it. So we just finna sit here and pump out all that we can, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can see, I was hoping for the best, but there are a bunch of contaminants in the fuel on top of it being a little bit of water mixed into it too. So we're probably gonna have to end up dropping the gas tank and, doing stuff the manual way. But that ain't the end of the world, you know what I'm saying? We're finna jump to the front and get this hood off. What's good, y'all? What's good, y'all? So as y'all can see, we got the car jacked up in the air. We're about to get under it here in a second. Got the hood off and everything is everything, just how I left it. As it should be. I'm saying that like it should be different. I'm saying that like somebody came and tried to take my whip or something, but nah. Everything is how I left it. So there are a couple things I'm gonna try to tackle today. Most importantly, I wanna go ahead and run the fuel lines so it'll be able to come up through here where the factory ones were. They kind of ran down and then came up and connected in. So I'll probably have to spin my fuel rail around so they can mate on this side. I gotta do that. I also have to do transmission lines. I have to get the dipstick installed on the transmission. And yeah, man, it's a lot of work to do. So I'm gonna just, take y'all along to the best of my abilities. But I'm kind of locked in and got that tunnel vision. So I'll try to, keep y'all keeping on with me while I'm keeping on so we all can keep on keeping on. You did what I'm saying? Up with me. So this right here, y'all, this is that flexible dipstick that I had purchased. And they also included a little filler neck. So if I ever needed to fill something up from the dipstick tube, I can. I think that was pretty dope. But we're going to go ahead and throw this bad boy on. This should be as simple as just getting it down past both grommets. Getting it down past both of these grommets, and we should be good. AJ, move. AJ, move. AJ. Is he moving?
A few moments later.
Hey man, that took a lot longer than I'd like to admit, but you know what I'm saying, we finally got the transmission dipstick installed. We're about to start plumbing now, the front of the engine, so I'm gonna get the radiator hose to go to the top and the bottom and get back to y'all when I finish. Hey, I've been struggling to record. I'm not even finna sit here and hold y'all. I got the intake on. I went ahead and flipped the fuel rails around so that I could run the fuel lines to it this way. If you look down, this right here is a fuel line. I gotta run the second one, but I have to cut it in order to do that. Once we get that in place, the only other thing would be the transmission cooler lines. After the transmission cooler lines and the fuel lines, it's just electrical. And we still gotta clear the tank out in the back. Yeah, man, there's still a lot more to do. I've been doing a lot of this off camera, just trying to knock out as much as possible because I'm, you know what I'm saying, ready to get back to my Thug Thizzle. I'm ready to get back to that Infinity. I want to give y'all an update on that eventually too. But you know what I'm saying, I'm just trying to keep it keep my Thug Thizzle going and keep you posted.